To swap in PancakeSwap with Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can swap in PancakeSwap with Trust Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to swap in PancakeSwap within Trust Wallet, first you'll have to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. In order to do so, you can simply head over and head into your browser and then search in at the top. You can search in pancakeswap.finance or you can search in pancakeswap.com. Either way, you'll be headed to this page here. Once you're here at the top right, you can see the connect option, right? You can simply tap on connect option there and it will give you various options. So here you can see the option Trust Wallet. So simply tap on Trust Wallet and it will ask you your passcode here. Once you enter in your passcode here, you can see it'll give you the option. Simply tap on continue. You are visiting a third-party app. Then you can tap on enter now. So you can see I have connected here. So once you're connected, you can see here by tapping on the wallet section, by tapping in the connect section, and you can see what's connected here. Once you're connected, you can head over to the swap sections, right? You can see various options. You can see trade, you can see here, you can see buy, earn, NFT and such. So in order to swap, you can go ahead and select the particular token that you would like to swap, and you can type in the address here manually as well. So once you select it, you can see other option here as well. Then you can tap on the connect wallet option, then tap on Trust Wallet and you'll be connected, and you can use and swap using the Trust Wallet here. So you can see once you're connected, you'll be able to see here the wallet option here. So this is how you can swap on PancakeSwap using the Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.